never did for you. You are busy using your didier jamina when ye bina and I yet ye juman na ye why ye juman for party this again in Amankudiana. Yea, one corner we a campaign. Moi would dinner send ye didier jamno, Mon corner we a campaign ana. Na matina hona sankwa siafo party we are sebi at the papa bien free muhomba. Motwa mo ho a na makoton mo ho amomo na mo twe abo so na nka ne papa mu a NDC to make us about politics bi o de omode abeye Ghana fo yi. Now show me, I ask a typical question. Me say, whenever price of things go high, we go on the government. Some of us even take it to I feel almost die politics. No, Ekufa do any say chimpanzee, Baomia is 10 boa, 10 kwasia. We turn it personal. Na ako company for na no musi yo yate na yate so. Yate so dia, sa kwasia mpani na wo so video didi mpani for atem na yante nka o. Yatete niyama no so dia kwasiam pani Johnny Hughes entumi ameka se yatete niyama so. Captain Jimmy ekokogbu ne gas na yate petrol no so dia obetena hwan no ma chill hey we dey mintumi me yem pass me obetena sa baller show no so no wentumi anka nkire na kwasiam pa for listeners ne say yate petrol so. 2 weeks ago you are insulting the president to reduce the petrol. Now the fucking petrol has been reduced. I expect Captain Kwasiampeni to sit on that stupid thing of his to let Ghanaians know, say, obey ye abino tiasiati petrol no so. Now who said he was there to fight for you, the Ghanaians, so that whole petrol so better? It is only Ghana. Uhieni ne bana onu nibi mono. Ese t-shirt. No, did you know? E-levy, we won't pay no e-levy. E-levy, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen, kum nana do mayen. I didn't see a metro when see the e-levy, tiyen kubi. E-levy when see the kum nana do mayen. Madam Larissa, welcome. Kum nana do mayen, because you see a metro e-levy. Me king the same Kwasiampeni NDC nino or your transfer. Etia when see the ma Vodafone. Etia when see the ma MTN. Ya the MTN dia kwa South Africa ko yomo kwan. Ya the Vodafone dia ko UK. Na sebe. Ghana ni dondology Jimmy. Ghana ni dondology ye jibi samne die. Ojina Kwasiampa fo bisa captain ni twasidi ejina ho se Ghana ye den emuwe se bu bejina wodi atemu a yete soso a na mo aye ma beye na mo papa na mo maame no mo de hyehyehye mo techire ma ase e dia betena ho a mo didi nkwasiasem no na nka masia beka se oh ye ya aban na te wa beti yeso enu an say na me. Madam Larissa, mitiwe, mi wonu aketwa a odi machi. Omo friend the Porsche akuya. Se ebusua fie building ya. I don't see why ya. Me penino 38 years old no me kwa ko bisa minua na onu di 30 years old ni say adenti na yensi sebe ebusua fie. Are you people kidding me? But in Ghana, politics in tea, are you okay? Araba, welcome. In Ghana, politics in tea, are you okay? They be a mekasa same way, chemo. A buying a tail driver and petrol no so because or per se driver no so ye den or 10 the fare so. Aban ten so my driver ne car owner we dia car owner say unim fanebo or no dia won ten the first so ampa or da so jiw dia or jiw na. And instead of us as Ghanaians waking up and tackling these issues as they supposed to be tackled, we rather sit NDC MPP And what pisses me off when they say, Omo the NDC ni MPP did no cry, the only Omo say Omo ye do. When was the last time you heard Sammy Jenfi making noise? Me say Ghana for we need to wake up. Me de be America. Yes, we have bad leaders. Yes, we need good leadership. But the fact is, the Ghanaian ordinary black man with the brain is dumb. I'm sorry. Over 85% of us don't use our brains. And that is why we struggle. Because the what Jimmy Juma. Now I buy biaju electricity bill. Mama papa. Now when to me uncle Tia. I'm a what the doom so 4 years. Now says I buy now ben never catch out say now light see what would the year Juma no. Pamo the other light now mauno. Now more nombra doom so now we are question penny could this our party next year. It is not about leadership, it is about your stupid brain. Say before Nana Kufuado. O papa will brochure and so your pamu school fees. Na send them pamu school fees bio. Now catch them say there be even though say now the young pamu school fees no, you rather want the one now or buy your bed pamu school fees now. You are not smart, you are a fool. I'm sorry. And this is what we do every day. All in the name of say NDC soba. Say me party ba. Intermediate minim pass me party na yebuka omo number. But ongo bebenti enye she let them come. I ask a simple question. For 1 month straight. 1 good month straight. And let me put this too. For 3 weeks straight. 3 consecutive weeks. The dollar and the CD have been at pegging. When I say pegging, I seen baby or dinyo kodu yeno on chin ye mubio. When was the last time I would say I to force in my bejina ho ka either CD to dollar bill? Do you hear them talking about CD to dollar? Do you hear them talk about CD to dollar? Now they are finding the next propaganda to come and feed you people that don't like to read. They are finding another propaganda to come and give you people that don't like to read but will take your stomach to sell your own soul. Ghana eba akupo. Ghana eba akupe. Na ebi ni baby ebi. Into what the fact party sem kataweni. Na se no. Ochine bi enye MPP na ebe wo ho. But esan se wugu eduaba bone MPP apensu nti no. Enne NDC ba ye no, weduaba bone no ubetwa so aba. Onkwasia wo hini David ne nkwasiafo a mutu omugu social media say yenda da Ghana fo emma Ghana fo hu so omo man na ahia pansam no ubetwa sa aba no. Obie ni wa se be weduan toast no wakotiti meko mimi hu bi da. NDC for do mbetumi aye. NDC for ade anyansan ni mu a ebi nsi da no na omo ye. Ye to kromu ha. Omo so omu kura pink sheet. Ye ko do court ya ye nkura pink sheet ba akopo. Ye wo kromu ha free education 419 na ye dwen se omo meko ye bo pia omo maji dem ho ma. Eti ye ni mu om. And until my heart bleed these days. Mama Lydia, my heart bleeds a lot when I see NPP doing the work for NDC. Something they didn't do for you.